Hello traders, and hope you're having a great week. Rich here, and today I'm going to analyze EURUSD as per the request of many members. I'll try to make the analysis as educational as possible, so let's get started. To analyze EURUSD, first of all we have to check the DXY index, which is the USD index, and it's obviously negatively correlated with EURUSD as the USD is sitting in the quote of the pair EURUSD. So first of all, as you can see, price is overall bullish, trading above this brown trend line, which acts as non-horizontal support area, and we also have a support zone in green. As you can see, many rejections from here and here as well, so we can expect a rejection as price approaches this area here. And if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that this green support is also acting as demand, as this red candle is the only bearish candle not related to this bullish movement. So we've got a demand, support, and non-horizontal support in brown. That's why we would be looking for objective buy setups. We would be expecting a bullish movement on the DXY. For now, let's go to EURUSD and let's see what do we have. Almost the opposite of the DXY, EURUSD has been overall bearish for almost 10 years, and it's currently retesting the upper brown trend line and a strong resistance area 1.18, as you can see here and here as well. Here we go. So we can expect a bearish movement as price approaches our brown trend line and blue resistance. If we zoom into lower time frames, we can see that just like the XY, price is also sitting around a very strong supply zone. As you can see here, price made an aggressive movement downward from it, and currently price is sitting around it, so we can expect a rejection from here to the downside unless price breaks 1.18 aggressively upward. Then our resistance will turn into support, and we'll be looking for objective buy setups on its retest. For now, our brown trend line and blue resistance are acting as rejection for and resistance areas, so we are only interested in selling EURUSD. If we zoom into H4, we can see that we previously had an objective symmetrical triangle in purple, and price broke it upwards, and it's in impulse, corrective, and then impulse again, and price almost filled its projection, as you can see. So sooner or later the sellers will kick in. This projection is where the hedge funds and retail traders put their take profits from this symmetrical triangle. That's why many traders will now who are holding a buy will start to close their buy positions, thus the sellers will get stronger. So for now we are still overall bullish, and there are no signs that EURUSD is losing strength, as price is not breaking below the previous lows. As you can see here, price is still making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. So the bulls are still in full control here, and it's not a good time to sell unless we have at least 3 confluences and a trigger as per our trading style. So we'll keep on zooming into lower time frames and look for potential sell setups. Here we have a divergence, as you can see. As price was making higher highs, MACD was making equal highs, which means that this movement that the price is going up, but this movement is not going up with strong momentum. Means that the buyers are losing strength, and as mentioned before, price was making higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, here we go, here as well. So higher lows and higher highs, but for now price is trying to make a higher high, higher than this swing, but for now it's failing to break higher. So that's what explains the divergence on MACD. So for now, even that we've got so many signs, so many confluences that EURUSD is more likely to go down than up, but we are not ready to sell yet, as we always wait for our trigger. As you can see, price formed an objective trend line 1, 2 and 3, and here's our last low, our last swing sitting around our red trend line. So we would be waiting for a momentum candle close below it to sell EURUSD, and in this case a movement till our green support would be expected, as it's the nearest trouble area. As you can see from here, we've got a very strong movement to the upside, so this area here acts as a demand zone. So for now, until our sell is activated, EURUSD would be overall bullish, and as mentioned before, price can still break above our blue trend line aggressively. In this case, our resistance will turn into support, and we'll be looking for objective buy setups as price retests it. And since price is sitting around resistance, we'll be looking for sell opportunities, and here would be our trigger. We are waiting for a momentum candle close below this low to sell EURUSD, and if price keeps on trading higher, for example like this, then we'll look for new sell opportunities to fall around this zone. So for now, let's wait and see how this will go. Best of luck.